What's up everybody, welcome to another honest review video. Today we are gonna talk about, well, look at this. I have this Xiaomi 14 Pro, Xiaomi 14. Actually, Tia has used this Xiaomi 14 for a few days. And yeah, I have been reviewing almost all the Xiaomi devices for the past couple of years. Yeah, I have reviewed Xiaomi 12 Pro, Xiaomi 13 Pro, Xiaomi 13 Ultra. Personally, I love this Xiaomi Mix Fold 3. This one is my daily drive. And yeah, even if I have this Oppo Find N3, I'm still using this Xiaomi Mix Fold as my daily drive. So you can understand I'm not a Xiaomi hater. I love the devices which actually performs. Well, today we are gonna talk about this Xiaomi 14 Pro. Let's check how good is the performance. Yeah, considering the price, this one belongs to proper flagship category, like its predecessor Xiaomi 13 Pro. But well, when Xiaomi has released their 13 Ultra with a price tag which is very similar to Xiaomi 13 Pro. Xiaomi 13 Pro actually became a very expensive device considering the price tag of Xiaomi 13 Ultra. So yeah, I'm a bit worried that when Xiaomi will release Xiaomi 14 Ultra, then we will just forget about this Xiaomi 14 Pro. So okay, let's go through this review. But before everything, one request: if you end up liking this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Oh yeah, Xiaomi has also released this Xiaomi Watch S3. Look at this, we can even change the color of this smartwatch. We can not only change the watch strap, but we can also change the color of the bezel. If you're interested, then let me know in the comment section. Then I will do a dedicated review of this Xiaomi Watch S3. And if you also want me to review Xiaomi 14, then also let me know in the comment section. Well, we will start from unboxing, then we will check the camera performance. Xiaomi 14 Pro comes with a new sensor. I'm not sure whether this is an upgrade or downgrade because Xiaomi 13 Pro has a 1-inch sensor, but this time Xiaomi has ditched the 1-inch sensor for a new sensor, a custom sensor. I'm not sure what the name is, but if we translate directly from Chinese to English, then the name is Light Hunter 900. Yeah, Xiaomi has also added Leica Samilux lens, and the main sensor has a variable aperture going from f1.42 at its widest to f4.0 when closed. Well, that's a very wide aperture range. And yeah, as usual, Xiaomi 14 Pro also has a telephoto lens, a 75mm lens which is equivalent to 3.2 times optical zoom, and ultra wide lens. A lot of people have requested me, they wanna know how Xiaomi 14 Pro performs against iPhone 15 Pro Max. I will let you check the photos and videos by yourself along with my favorite background music. Yeah, I need to mention Xiaomi 14 Pro's camera performance has just got better than before with a new update. So yeah, I have compared the Xiaomi 14 Pro with Google Pixel 8 Pro, and then Google Pixel 8 Pro almost crushed Xiaomi, but now it's getting better.
On a boiling desert road, heading far away to some place we don't know. Is it true all the things they say, that we will come to an end? Is it true all the things they say, maybe we could pretend? I don't wanna let go of your love, I don't wanna let go of your touch, 'cause my sun is rising, it's setting with you.
out and I'm rolling. Balling out, no controlling. DNA ain't no hoeing. Jumping deep, never put no toe in. Stepped out and I'm throwing. Every day I've been growing. Never know where I'm going. And your bitch like how I'm flowing.
Here comes our Xiaomi 14 Pro. The first thing I have noticed is this big rear camera block with Leica branding. Xiaomi 14 Pro comes with IP68 rating, which is exciting, but outlook and appearance of this device is rather a bit boring. But that doesn't mean Xiaomi 14 Pro comes with a poor build quality. Rather, it has a great super flagship class build quality. The display panel is protected by the best possible material, Xiaomi's self-developed Longjing glass, and even the rear camera block has Samilux lens for better photography. On top, there is nothing but a secondary speaker cutout. At the bottom, there is a speaker grill, primary microphone, USB-C port, and a dual SIM compact SIM tray. Volume rockers and the power button all are on the right side. I personally prefer to have all the buttons on the right side because it's easy to access the buttons. There is nothing on the left side, it's totally clean. Here comes our Xiaomi 14 Pro with the provided TPU silicon protective case. I think this protective case totally ruins the outlook and appearance. Now here comes the premium protective case. Well, with the premium protective case, Xiaomi 14 Pro doesn't only look gorgeous, this protective case also offers better protection. Xiaomi 14 Pro comes with a 6.73-inch QHD Plus AMOLED LTPO panel. All the standard features are there. On top of those, Xiaomi 14 Pro also comes with some special features. Xiaomi 14 Pro supports Dolby Vision, HDR10, HDR10 Plus, and HLG. Xiaomi 14 Pro offers natural yet vibrant picture quality. But there are two issues, maybe I'm nitpicking, like sometimes colors are way too vibrant and feels like a bit saturated, and sometimes the peak brightness in auto mode isn't as bright as many other flagships. I have no problem to accept that cause we can use the brightness slider to increase brightness. 2K resolution with 120Hz refresh rate along with 2160Hz pulse width modulation, which is known as PWM, definitely sounds impressive. And the truth is, in real life, it is truly an impressive display panel. Alright, it's time for synthetic benchmarks. First, we will run 3DMark, the gamer's benchmark. I always run Wildlife Extreme Stress Test, which is a nightmare for almost all the smartphones. But let's check how good is this Xiaomi 14 Pro with the new generation Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. Wow, Xiaomi 14 Pro has scored 4632 in the first loop, and it has managed to score 4390 in loop number 18. The stability of Xiaomi 14 Pro is way better than Xiaomi 14. 94.8% stability rate is great. At this moment, I have two other smartphones with Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, and Xiaomi 14 Pro actually stands second in terms of stability rate. Now it's time for Antutu benchmark. I personally do not like Antutu benchmark cause most of the time Antutu scores don't get converted into real life performance. Xiaomi 14 Pro has managed to score 1,996,000 after running Antutu benchmark back to back 3 times, which is truly exceptional. Now I'm intrigued to believe that Xiaomi 14 Pro has a very good thermal solution. Anyway, I think we need to check real-life gaming performance to know how good is the thermal performance. I have been playing games on a gaming smartphone before I have got this Xiaomi 14 Pro, and both of these smartphones comes with the same Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 SoC along with UFS 4.0 storage and LPDDR5X RAM. Side by side, when I play games on this Xiaomi 14 Pro, the performance of this 14 Pro is surprisingly good. It may not be the best, but better than many other. Thea has played graphics-intensive games for a longer period of time, like 75 to 100 minutes in a row, and wow! We haven't seen any throttling. It offers a very high frame rate with stability. That's new for a Xiaomi device. Almost all the graphics-intensive games can be played with high frame rate and high graphics settings. Xiaomi 14 Pro offers buttery smooth in-game experience with super smoothness. The display panel also works fine, so altogether, gaming on Xiaomi 14 Pro is fun. It's more than enjoyable. It's more like delightful. If you are like me, if you want safety net support, then it's good that Xiaomi 14 Pro supports safety net, and it also comes with Wi-Fi L1 certification. So we can actually enjoy HD streaming without any issue. Xiaomi 14 Pro comes with a 4880 mAh battery and supports 120 watt wired and 50 watt wireless charging. I have managed to squeeze up to 6 hours and 30 minutes of screen on time, which is relatively good. Moreover, it only takes around 25 minutes to fully recharge the phone with the provided 120 watt charger and around 40 minutes with Xiaomi's 50 watt wireless charger. If you can use the phone in FHD Plus with 60Hz refresh rate, then you will be able to squeeze more than 7 hours of screen on time, which is even better. Xiaomi 14 Pro comes with an optical in-display fingerprint sensor. This one works pretty well, it's easy to register fingerprint, and it also has a very fast unlocking time. I should say as fast as flash. Anyway, as usual, Xiaomi 14 Pro also comes with 2D face unlocking option. It's also very easy to register and works fine. HyperOS is just a bit optimized and rebranded edition of MIUI. Other than a few graphical tweaks, there is nothing new. We can expand RAM, we can extend up to 8GB of RAM, which actually allocates a chunk of UFS 4 storage. Xiaomi 14 Pro comes with Android 14 out of the box, and as far as I know, 14 Pro will have 3 major Android updates. Xiaomi 14 Pro got a stereo speaker setup with Dolby Atmos. Sound quality is good but not great, and sometimes I have noticed a bit distortion. Let's listen to some music and you check by yourself how good is the sound quality.
She's a itty bitty spider with a itty bitty letter and a straight jacket round her waist. If she gets a bite, you better run, you better hide, better pray that you're not worth the chase. Yeah, she might be pretty, but I promise it gets scary.
Before I wrap up, there are 3 things I want to mention one more time. Number 1, gaming performance of Xiaomi 14 Pro is really impressive. Number 2, camera performance of Xiaomi 14 Pro is getting better with updates, but it's still not as good as many of its competitors. And number 3, finally, Xiaomi has one of the worst customer supports. I don't know why, but most of the time when I went to Xiaomi for customer support, I didn't have any good experience. That's all about this Xiaomi 14 Pro. I cannot say I'm happy with the performance, and at the same time I'm not disappointed. Actually, I'm a bit happy that Xiaomi is trying to improvise. And I wish Xiaomi will optimize this 14 Pro with updates and won't forget about this Pro edition when they release the Ultra edition. That's my thought on this Xiaomi 14 Pro. I would like to know what you think about this Xiaomi 14 Pro. So please make a comment and share your thoughts and ideas in the comment section. If you have liked this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content.